This is why you have trouble surrendering and letting go in life. It's because you don't trust that there's something better on the other side of what you have now. So, what you're experiencing is a lack of trust, because if you knew that life on the other side of where you are now is so much better, you would release. You wouldn't even think twice to let go and surrender. You would let go of the person that's giving you bare minimum treatment, the circumstances that you're tolerating, the job you hate. You would just know that things are better for you on the other side of this. So this is a reminder for you to trust. Trust that there is a force out there, whatever you want to call it, God, universe, angels, guides, or higher self. They know the bigger picture. They can see it. And it's time for you to trust. And this doesn't mean that you're not in control of your life or your reality. This means that you have support. You don't need to know how everything is going to work out right now. There are so many things happening behind the scenes that you just cannot see. Things are falling in place for you. And if you just trust and you let go of this incessant need to know everything, if you just embrace the unknown and be okay with the uncertainty right now, you will experience something that you've never experienced before. And it will be better than you could ever imagine. That's the message I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and follow for more.